Good day everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to reset your MacBook Air. So first of all, you need to click the shutdown button. And then after you click the shutdown button, what are we going to do now is to click the command prompt and DR together. So click this one and then click the power button. And then after that, once the MacBook Air already open, just hold the command and the R together for a while and then kindly wait for it. So wait for it to be fully loaded. And then after that, you will see here the OS X utilities. And then you may now reinstall the OS X and continue the installation, the resetting process.